OPPO has collaborated with Hasselblad for more than 4 years for the imaging features of the Find X series. The firm is once again working closely with the legendary camera maker for the upcoming Find X9 series. A OPPO executive confirmed that the brand is developing a camera kit for the Find X9 series in collaboration with Hasselblad. While it has not been officially revealed the features about it, a tipster has shared some information. OPPO Find Series product manager Zhao has posted on Weibo that the brand will launch a custom imaging kit for the Find X9 series in partnership with Hasselblad. His post suggests the brand will be developing the camera kit specifically for the OPPO Find X9 Pro model. The company has also designed imaging accessories for the Find X9 standard version, a rare move in the flagship smartphone space. The OPPO official was quoting a Weibo post by a tipster who suggested that OPPO X Hasselblad imaging kit will launch in October. It'll have industry-first magnetic photographic grips that will be more convenient. Additionally, the tipster suggested that the camera accessory will have a Hasselblad professional external teleconverter, which will offer excellent image quality and resolution. Since the teleconverter lens also comes from Hasselblad, you can expect the quality to be good. It's worth mentioning that the image of the camera kit shared by the tipster does not represent the actual design. OPPO's upcoming Find X9 series of phone, especially the Ultra, will impress photography enthusiasts. Reports suggest the firm could equip Ultra variant with up to 4 cameras, just like the predecessor. It can boast of a 200 megapixel main camera aided by 50 megapixel secondary ultra-wide lens. Additionally, the brand plans to offer a pair of periscope telephoto lenses, which will be 200 megapixel and 50 megapixel. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra will be the world's first smartphone to feature 200 megapixel camera phones, or it can be the sister concern Vivo X300 Ultra. OPPO will launch the Find X series of flagships in mid-2025 October.